Hi. So this is how I think you can get to the Poetry Cafe today. It's all kind of new. Let's see. First you can go to classwork, and under spring break it says Poetry Cafe today. Open that up. I want to see the whole thing. Okay. I'm going to click on this link. Oh, no, that's not it. Let me try again. Oh, the meeting ID. First, I'm going to highlight this and copy it. Edit, copy. Now this is on my invisible clipboard. Now I'm going to click on this link. Return to home screen. Use a meeting code. And now edit, paste. And the meeting ID went in here. Now I'll say continue. Ah, ready to join, asked to join. And that's how you'll do it. See you soon.